Hey guys, welcome back to the Noble channel. Today we're going to be installing our Noble carbon fiber full replacement mirror covers. Now this isn't a 3M stick-on kind of deal, this is a full replacement. So what we're going to do is take our stock cover off and put this one in its place, and that's a pretty simple process, so I'm going to walk you through it real quick. So first things first, you're going to want to grab your mirror and spin it this direction. Take a flathead or a pry tool and get it in this little crack and start prying on this bottom cover. That's gonna break this corner loose, and you can kind of use that and pull back. This whole section is gonna come off, and then you're gonna see your mirror cover. Now you can kind of get your thumb or finger up underneath the mirror cover and pry up a little bit. So now you're gonna grab your new Noble carbon cover, and we're gonna get that in place. I like to start with this back corner and then work my way to the front. Clip it on. And then we're gonna have our bottom piece, line that up, and go ahead and start clipping that in place as well. Start over here, kind of work my way back. Boom, that's simple. Your Noble carbon fiber mirror cap is installed. Well guys, that's gonna be it for today's install. These are the Noble carbon fiber mirror cover replacements, and I will leave a link for these in the description of the video. As always, these look great out in the sunlight. They just bring attention to the side of the car and they just wrap that carbon around. So if you already got your Noble lip and your Noble grill, you know, and some of the Noble badges and such, you know, this is just another nice thing to add to wrap that carbon around the car. And again, super easy. And it's not a 3M stick-on piece, it's a direct replacement piece, which makes it so much easier and so much nicer. But anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I appreciate you checking it out, and I'll see you in the next one.